take two.
Alright guys, so we are going to be telling you guys the animal company news. Alright guys, so first we need to tell you about our lovely city. Our lovely city is back to normal. Or yeah, not exactly normal, but we are going to be figuring. Oh my god! Is that the monkey? That's the monkey rebel! That's the monkey rebel! Guys, no, the monkey rebel! Ah! This is very bad news.
Now you guys run and hide. You guys run to the city and hide.
Guys! Guys, go to city! Oh my god, it's back to normal. Or I meant it's not back to normal. Graham, I said no talking. Graham, I said no talking.
Oh shoot, my VR's low battery. Yeah.
I said no talking, Graham. Alright guys, we're back. We're back yet. Oh my gosh, we need to do a lot of research right now. And right now, we're doing... Yeah, I don't know why this is up. Don't worry about that. This is what we need. This is our podcast. So, we need to tell everyone that there is a monkey rebel going after us. This is very bad. We need to figure out who is doing this. Cool. And then, right now, we really need to, like, go. So, let's go. Ah! Ah! Oh my god!
No. Ow. Where's the bug? Where are they? Where are they? Oh shoot.
No! I'm dead! Michael, run!
No. No, I'm sorry. I'll stop. Please don't kill me. I'm stuck.
911! You will never come near us.
Huh? What the? Why is there a random guy attacking me? I lost all my memory. Why do I have these things in my hand? Hey, don't attack.
Alright, Michael, are you okay? Guys, Michael got hurt. He's asleep right now.
Michael, what happened?
Wait, are you his... Graham, are you his doctor?
Yeah, I got assigned to him. I didn't know it was him.
Oh. You were waking? What the heck happened to your arm? Ah!
Did your controller die?
Guys, be
Just
quiet.
kidding.
Be quiet. Guys.
Oh.
Michael, are you Graham, you need to fix him.
Here, let me go fix it up.
Michael,
Fix
get
him
back
up.
on the couch. Get back on the couch. You are not okay right now. You are not okay right now. Yeah, we're fixing your arm. Stay still.
Alright, let me use my tool that I need to fix his arm with. Is it this arm? What? No, it's not a crowbar. Michael!
Michael, get
Go
back.
back!
Back on the table. Where'd our patient go?
Michael, how are you getting kicked out of the video?
Okay, yeah, lay down. Lay down.
So
Yes.
do we have to restart the whole video?
No, just lay down, Michael.
No, I mean the whole part.
No! Lay down. Michael, you are not okay. Just lay down. I'll fix your arm real quick. Alright. I'm fixing you.
No, I'm supposed to fix you.
Oh yeah, I got it by myself because I was watching some medical videos. Michael,
Wait, no, I gotta fix him.
you're fine now.
Alright, he's fixed.
Okay, guys, our mission has been complete.
What is a hammer
Our mission
doing
has
here?
complete. This is very good, guys. Alright, guys. Bye.